Hello, welcome to AcuBoost, an IIG product. AcuBoost are embedded software enhancements for the Acumatica ERP product. My name is Sasha Parento. Today we're going to go over container tracking. What this product does is it allows you to create container transactions based on products that would be shipped in that container. Today's example created a purchase order ahead of time. For the go-to vendor, we've got an order of 10 of the Savannah changing table, and we've got an order of 8 of the Little Tyke Bold and Bright table and chairs. I'm going to go over to the Pio container. So this purchase order container is where we can track what is going on with that container. The user has the ability to load complete purchase orders, specific lines of purchase orders, or partial quantities of a purchase order line in the screen. Since we selected go to vendor, I'm going to select that one for this one, add a container number. This example, going to select inland transportation. However, there are different statuses that can be selected as you track the container. As stated before, we have the ability to add purchase orders. You can add multiple purchase orders from different vendors. We can add individual lines, or we can change the quantity as well. Now, the vendor field is not required because, again, the container can have multiple purchase orders, multiple vendors. So we've got an order of 10 and 8. They said they shipped 10 on the container. So we're going to put 10 there and 8 Little Tyke Bright. Going to save that there, take this off of hold, and save it. The vendor information displayed on this tab would not be there if we had, of course, no vendor at the top. It's got the dates we can track. Container, let's say it's shipped on, the expected departure was on the 11th, supposed to arrive, on the 14th. It shipped on the 11th, but was confirmed that it arrived today. As we go through these fields, more fields are become available. We've got the landed cost tab where we can add landed costs. For this, we're going to do transportation, since it's in transport. And we're going to save that. Go back to this. Okay. This right here where it says import tally quantity comes from a purchase order container tally screen. What happens here is once the container arrives, you can open up the container, count actually how many were shipped to us. If the amount was different, we could change that here from, let's say, 10 to 9, 10 to 5, and so forth. I'm going to keep this as is. For this example, I'm not importing. So from here, go over and enter a purchase order receipt. And we're going to confirm that we received 10 and received 8 respectively. Put on hold and release it. Once that happens, then the landed cost transactions will be created on hold, which is this one right here. Landed cost $250, the freight. From this screen, we can create the bill, take it off of hold, and release. That is, of course, if you add the vendor reference on it. There, you can go to Bills and Adjustment screen. You can see our landed cost bill, $250. Next, we have the Pio Container Reports, which is going to show us everything that we just went through for this container. I'm going to run it. You can see shift was on the container number, the quantity that was ordered, container quantity, and the cost associated with it, the allocated amount for the landed cost, the total amount. Thank you very much for taking the time to view this demo. Thank you.